G'day everyone. Days gone tragic here with a couple of high ground sites for the Riverflow Farms Horde. We're going over to that barn over there. Now the problem's not with the high ground, the problem is trying to get the Horde to follow you into the barn. I've been caught a few times, Horde's torn me to pieces. Sometimes they don't come in the barn at all. It's very hit and miss. But I thought I'd show it before I show the other method, which is 100% foolproof. So, yeah. Now, as we know, hordes can't climb ladders, so you're safe going up this ladder, but only for a little while. They come around, they climb up the back of the barn, and they come in through these windows here and through other places. So they can get up here. You're not safe up here, but you are safe on this beam. And I've missed it. You've got to sort of edge in carefully and do a half step onto it. So we'll try again. Okay, so I showed you that method, which isn't very good, so I could show you this method. See that gunfire coming from the farm gunners? They'll keep that up all night long. So, yeah. Up this ladder. There you go. That gunner with his big 50 caliber, he's going to shoot them, like I said, all night long. So you can basically stand up here for a while. He'll take care of quite a lot of them for you, but you might as well give him a hand. They can't get him, but he sure as hell can get them. But yeah, let's give them a couple of mollies for their trouble. Look at that, he's just going to keep firing, while you stay nice and safe up on top of this water tank, or whatever tank it is. So there you go. Yeah, in a while we'll go down and take care of the few stragglers. But I've actually done this method where I don't get up on the tank. I just ride my bike around in circles and basically let him shoot most of them for me. That does come with risk. This method, standing up here, yeah, it's pretty risk-free, I think. Okay, so there you have it. Two methods. The barn method, look, if they follow you into the barn, you can use it. You are safe up there, but you could easily miss the beam, like I did. This method out here, straight up that ladder. You're safe up there, and that gunner will just take them all out. Or, like I did, give them a helping hand. Alright, hope this helps someone, and as usual, thanks for watching.